I bought this foot bath to treat the neuropathy in my feet with a more holistic approach and according with the Parcells protocols for foot baths. The water looks a little cloudy because I added a tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Interesting thing happened when I first put my feet into this bath. The water felt the hottest where the neuropathy is the most severe, and that's in my toes and apparently on the right side of my foot, of my right foot. This is the first time using this, and the little bubbles create an ionic environment that has to be good. Other reviews have complained that they're weak. They're not massaging bubbles. They're to aerate and ionize the water. Should you add Epsom salt or baking soda or sea salt or whatever you put into it. I'm not sure how I feel about the rollers in this thing. They're a little harsh on my feet, but maybe that's a good thing, that I can feel something on the bottom of my feet. Anyway, I don't know if this is going to improve my neuropathy. I will update this review at a later date with any changes. But all in all, there's a lot to like about this foot bath. The temperature control, I loaded it with warm water, and so it heated up really quickly in a matter of a minute or two. And like I said, it felt like it was hotter on my toes and on the right side of my right foot, which I assume is where the neuropathy is the worst. Anyway, it certainly can't hurt, and it might even help. I hope it helps you too.
The remote control shown here, and very basic features. Power off, power back on, low heat, blue, medium heat, yellow, high heat, red. You have the option of soaking with or without bubbles, so we'll shut the bubbles off. Then we'll turn it back on again. And the only option is left is a timer. So you can have it set for 20 minutes. I just have been sitting here with it, just enjoying the bubbles on my feet. Overall, I think it's a great product. Easy to set up, easy to use. There's rollers at the bottom that you can play with to massage the bottom of your feet. But I will say, beware, because also at the bottom toward the center is the heating element. And every now and then my foot hits it and I feel it's really, really hot. So just a little bit of caution there. Otherwise, I think it's a great product.
So I literally just took it out of the box. Here's the instructions, all of that. I go to open it. There's rust, or I don't know what that is. And then there's a hair. I don't even want to touch this because I don't know what else could possibly be in there, but that's like a blonde-ish hair. I just opened this up and there's that. There's hair on this as well. I would not go with this company. This is being returned, and that is gross.
Power button down here, or you can just press. Oh, yeah, those things keep coming on. Gets pretty hot.
Yeah, working like a charm.
How many times in a given day might a doctor meet with him?
It varies. He could visit once or he could
Herbal.
visit several times.
Several times.
Senate.
And what obligation does the doctor
Astro
have,
remote,
assuming the
up
patient is
or
still making all
down.
of their own decisions?
Turn on the massage. Timing. Red light is already on. It's at 105.
Experimental protocol.
To the best of my
Right
knowledge,
back
the
where it
doctor is under no
belongs.
such obligation.
So, is it outside the
Just
realm of
keep it
possibility
running.
that Dr. Weber
Looking for the foot spa massage machine, and this one came with a remote. I was already starting the bubble proceeding, but here I'll let y'all see. It goes on. This for the bubble. Turn on, turn on. Get close. All these temperatures work, and it was worth the money.